Thank you for the time and given to me. Before that, I want to introduce my full name is Maria Elizabeth Sada. You can call me Liz. I come from Monuri. I live in Malaysia. So here, I will describe a little about the STI Rotosoro Primary School. Let me start straight away. The field at STI Rotosoro, located in the peaceful village of Malanuja Ekoroka, is a truly beautiful and inspiring place for children. Surrounded by natural beautiful, the schoolyard provides open space where the students can freely run, laugh, and play under the bright sunshine and skate. The grass is green and soft, well maintained by the school to ensure safety and comfort for the children. The field is more than just a place to play. It is a living part of the school environment where learning, creativity, and happiness grow together. One of the most special features of STI Rotosoro field is its forest garden. Around the edges of the fields and near the classroom walls, there are colorful flowers blooming in the rocks. The garden is filled with hibiscus, marigolds, and other native flowers and make the atmosphere playful and fresh. The flowers and can flip can be painted and colored for by both students and teachers, creating a sense of responsibility and love for nature. Okay. They of a clean, regular, and powerful forest garden with an environment that is not only functional but also beautiful and meaningful. It reflects the school community when to give children a healthy, creative, and joyful place to grow. In SDI Rotosoro, the field is not just lands SDI Rotosoro, it is a heart of happiness and learning for every child who walks through its gates. That's all my explanation. Thank you very much. Sorry, I there is anything wrong. Thank you.